electric food scale is probably one of my favorite kitchen gadgets. It is so easy to use, and I just love the size. It doesn't take up a lot of room. It can fit in like any drawer, or it could even just sit on your counter because it actually looks really nice. This one is the stainless steel, but it does come in different colors. So honestly, it is so easy to use. You just put it down. Obviously there is the on and off button, and then it even has the different units that you want to measure it in. And as you can see, it's written on the side what it is. So right now it's in grams. You just push it, then you can have your milliliters. Push it again, you have your ounces. You have your fluid ounces, and then I actually pushed the button too quick, but it also does pounds and ounces. And this can actually hold up to 11 pounds, which is amazing for something so small. And it just takes 2 AAA batteries in the back. So all you have to do is put your bowl or your plate or whatever you want to use on the top. You go ahead and hit the on and off button because you want to zero it out. And then you can decide what you want to use. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and use grams. So let's zero that out right here. So let's say we take, I'm gonna bake some cookies. We're gonna add our sugar. So you just kind of put that in there and you can see that the scale is measuring it for me. So let's say I need, 30 grams. I'm just gonna go slowly and add this on here. Oh, I added too much. Of course, you can take some out, that's fine. And then, so let's say this is my 30 grams of sugar. So what I could do is I can then take this off and dump it into the bowl. Or if I just want to mix it all together, I can then zero it out again, and then I can add my flour on the top, and then it tells me how many grams that is because I zeroed it out, and then I'm good to go. Super easy to use. It looks great. And honestly, the batteries, we've had this for 2 years and I've maybe changed the batteries once. It's a great little product to have in the kitchen for daily use, or if you're trying to count your calories, or again, just baking, cooking. It's fantastic. We love it.